Understanding, hold in high esteem. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unraveling a phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: hold in high esteem. It's a phrase that packs a lot of meaning and respect, and understanding it can truly enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and explore what it means to hold someone or something in high esteem. The phrase, hold in high esteem, is made up of a few key parts. First, the word, hold, in this context means to have or keep. Then, in high, suggests a level of significance or importance. And finally, esteem refers to respect and admiration. When you put it all together, to hold someone in high esteem means to have a lot of respect and admiration for them. It's a way of recognizing someone's value, qualities, or achievements. This phrase is often used in formal contexts or when speaking about someone you truly admire. It could be a mentor, a leader, an educator, or even a close friend or family member whose qualities you deeply respect. For example, you might say, "I hold my teacher in high esteem for her patience and dedication." This not only conveys your respect but also highlights the specific qualities that earn that respect. Let's see some examples to better understand how to use hold in high esteem in sentences. The community holds the firefighter in high esteem for his bravery and selflessness. She is held in high esteem by her colleagues for her innovative ideas. As an author, he is held in high esteem for his contribution to children's literature. These examples show different ways the phrase can be applied, emphasizing the versatility and depth it can add to your language. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to express respect in various ways. Some synonyms include admire. I admire her for her courage. Respect. He has earned the respect of his peers. Revere. She is revered for her ethical standards. Each word carries its nuances, but they all convey a sense of deep admiration and respect. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to hold someone in high esteem, and how you can use it to express your admiration and respect for others. Remember, the English language is rich with phrases that can help you articulate your feelings with precision and depth. Keep exploring, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations or writing. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.